Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Leg Up Ability, and welcome to another walk in the forest, and to another forest walk and talk. Right, today what we're going to talk about, mental health and how socialisation, isolation due to restrictions have affected it. Well, the Irish government do get surveys on a yearly basis, I think, called the Irish Health Survey, and it monitors the basic health and well-being of everyone of the society. And basically, they found some startling but not surprising results. Basically, the rate of happiness and its fulfillment has dropped dramatically between 2016 and 2020. And why is this? Well, first of all, it dropped from 67 to 62 points out of 100. While it doesn't sound much, it is a dramatic drop. Why is this? Well, studies show that humans are social creatures. They need interaction, and obviously due to the restrictions and lockdowns, people had to work from home, and people had to stay at home as much as possible, and this meant we can't socialise, and we can't go to a pub, and we can't go for a coffee. Well, now we can, but back a year ago we couldn't, and it has impacted our mental health. And I can appreciate this because as a person who has mental health difficulties and lives alone, and relates the aspect of a full-time job, I can appreciate the importance of being able to get out and go out to a cafe, because you need that interaction, even if it's just to meet someone, see someone, talk briefly to the cashier while paying your coffee. It's important. And for those who are working from home, I say it's even more important to get out of the house, because it means you can detach from your office and detach from your boss and manager. But yeah, you need to, and it means you can lock everything up and go for a walk, come back and pretend you're in your, well, not pretend in your house, pretend that you left your office. And then in the same Irish Health Survey, the government found that the people who were surveyed, 81% of them had less socially connected to their family, friends, and 31% of them felt that their mental health has deteriorated since COVID. Now, why does this matter? Well, it matters because we're social animals, and we need interaction to belong and feel happy and content. But on a medical and health perspective, studies have shown that you're 50% more likely to get dementia if you're lonely. If you feel lonely, you are 20 9% more likely to get heart disease, and 37% increase in the rate of stroke. You're more likely to experience higher rates of depression and higher rates of anxiety and suicide. So it is detrimental to your health, physical health. Social isolation is detrimental to your health. And you're more likely to drink and eat more. Now, why do we need socialization? Well, we need socialization to avoid the medical reason I just mentioned, but also studies show that we need, on a personal and psychological level, socialization improves your mental health and self-esteem, but it also gives you a sense of connection, and it helps you build bonds in society. So that's another reason. So as you can see, yes, socialization is important. I can contend to it because I, as a very ill person, and someone with a mental health condition, I don't like being at home all the time. I like my own space, don't get me wrong, but I also like integrating with people and like hearing people, because for me, it makes me feel connected to the world and what's going on. So when for people who work from home and live at home, obviously, that sounds like silly. And for people who work from home as well as live there, I can only but empathize how they must be. Like, not be able to get away from the hassle of work and associating the hassle of work with your house. Like if you work in your kitchen, and your kitchen is also where you make your dinner and relax. Well, how could you do that? Because like, you're associating a room with two different, completely opposite feelings. One of relaxation and one of stress. So I can empathize how hard and difficult it must be for them, for people working at home. And it's not good for their mental health. And it's not good for anyone's mental health. It's not good for their family, and because their wife and their family will suffer if one of the parents or parents that get stressed at work, and also which is their home as well. So it's not good for anyone, and this is why the mental health score of Ireland has dropped. And even more so than ever, coming out to nature and forests just like it is essential, people. We need to get back to basics here, and we need to gauge the small things of life so we can get through these difficult times. And we need to utilize what we have here. We have a natural de-stressor. So if you're feeling stressed, I implore you to get your kids, get your partner or wife, whatever, boyfriend or whatever, and go out to the forest and detach yourself from work. And yeah, and just it soon will be over, and we will get back to some sense of normality. As I say, I emphasize for the people who are working from home. It must be really difficult, and all I'm saying is mind yourself and take care. Alright, thank you.